try. That's not a basketball, but I see a basketball right there next to your tool chest. Next to your tool chest, Cormac. I mean your tool bench. Yeah, you found it. Wait a second. Oh, so close. So close. Try again. So close, Cormac. Let's see if Kaden can do it. See if Kaden, go ahead. Cormac, can you wait so Kaden? Good job. Can Kaden try now? Okay. Go ahead, Kaden. I know, I heard him. It's okay. Oh, that was so close.
What's the next, Kaden?
Hold on, let's let Kaden try again. Oh. Go ahead, Kaden. Go ahead, try.
Whoa.
Let's let Kaden try for a second. Good job, Cormac. You did it. You did it again. Kaden. Shoot. Whoa, good throw.